Hello, welcome to our optometry room at Medilaser on FC Road, Pune. So when a patient walks into the clinic to get an eye checkup, our optometrist, who's a qualified, he's a technician who operates all of these machines, and I'm going to take you through each one of them quickly. The patient comes in, has a seat here, and then you can see from this side, this is called an auto-refractometer. So this machine is going to ask you to keep your chin here, and it's going to check the refractive error of your eye, whether your number is -9, 2, 5, 1. So this is the refractometer. So it's going to give you the refractive error of your eye. This is a non-contact tonometer. So every eye has an eye pressure, just like you have blood pressure, the eye has a pressure, and this is a non-contact machine wherein there's an air puff on your eye and it's going to measure the pressure of the eye. If your pressure is high, you're at a risk for developing glaucoma. So these are the first two basic tests. After that, the patient is going to be asked to sit here. This is a slit lamp. This is like a microscope with which we see the eye magnified and fully illuminated. So we get a magnified and clear image of what the inside of your eye looks like. So this is like a slit lamp microscope, and this is a biometer. This machine is going to measure the length of your eye, and if you're posted to undergo a cataract surgery, it's going to calculate the IOL power, that the lens power that we need to implant in your eye. So this is an optical biometer. So instead of, we have here an ultrasound biometer available here. This ultrasound biometer is for very dense cataracts, but a more this is also called an A-scan. Okay, so this is an ultrasound machine that uses sound waves, whereas this is a more accurate optical machine that uses wavelength or light energy to measure the length of the eye. This machine is called the lensometer. A lensometer is a machine that whatever your current glasses you are using, we can check the power of those glasses on this machine very quickly, and then we can compare whether your current prescription, your old prescription are matching, but then we will also do a fresh refraction for every patient. So this machine here is called the phoropter. So instead of using the traditional manual method with a trial frame and physically putting glasses, this is like a more advanced phoropter machine wherein all the lenses, all of these lenses are incorporated inside this machine, and just with a quick knob we can turn the machine, the lenses in the phoropter, and you can, this is the vision chart that's going to help you. There'll be a vision available here for you to read, whether it's 6x6, 6x9, and then coming to the more advanced or specialized tests. So this is an OCT machine, and OCT is like, it's called optical coherence tomography. So this machine is going to scan your retina. This is the optic nerve of the eye, and this is your retina, whether it looks beautiful, normal, the blood vessels. This is a scan for the retina. So if your retina is normal with a dip in the center, or there's swelling in your retina, this is a scan for the nerve of the eye. This is a scan for glaucoma, to see whether the nerve of your eye is thinning in any part. So this is like a more detailed scanning, just like there's a tomography, like a CT scan. This is like an imaging for the nerve and the retina of the eye. Whereas here, this is called the pentacam. This is a corneal scan, a corneal topography. Cornea is the front layer of the eye, and this scan is going to tell us whether you're eligible for corneal laser refractive procedures. In this scan, we get various printouts. You just have to sit here, place your chin here, and we're going to scan your cornea to see whether it's a normal thickness, whether there's any irregularity, whether there's any keratoconus, whether there's thinning in the cornea, whether you are eligible, good to go for a LASIK procedure. Even every visit after a LASIK is done, we take subsequent scans in your cornea to see how your cornea is healing and responding to the procedure. So this is our optometry room, and the doctor's consulting rooms are further ahead. Maybe we'll take a tour of that later. So I hope you found this interesting. Thank you.